On May 6th, 2015, 400 students from Stevenson University grabbed a giant blue fitness ball, ran out to their football field, and started to exercise. Why would 400 students from Stevenson University do that? They were out there to break a Guinness World Record for most number of people exercising with a fitness ball together at the same time. The prior record to them was 353, so at 400 they broke the record and they got that Guinness World Record. It was one of the most talked about events at that university and within that community. And as a bonus, by the way, they also raised $2,400 for the Wounded Warrior Project. Think about it for a moment. They got so many people together in their community because they competed to break a Guinness World Record. What could you do in your community? There are so many amazing ones out there, and this idea of breaking a Guinness World Record creates engagement within a community. It's a new idea. It sparks competitiveness in each other, and it really rallies the community together because we get to make this happen. And to give you some inspiration before I leave, some ideas out there. The largest group hug, which currently holds at somewhere around 10,000 people. Okay, that might be a hard one. How about the loudest scream indoors ever recorded at 127.2 decibels? Or largest number of people wearing a helmet at the same time. Record, 4,999. That one I think you could break if you have a big enough community. What could you do to increase the engagement in your community by breaking a Guinness World Record together? This is Tom helping you to engage the people on your dance floor. Till next time.